Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to brighten up the space using Feel Like board. Alright, as you can see, I'll be showing you two pictures. One is just render with Feel Like, and the other one is render with a Feel Like board. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so go click right into your render. Okay, click on render. Alright, so right now, okay, let's just put on a natural lighting, okay, and go to our advanced settings. So as you can see over here on the corner right hand side, when I click onto my 2D, okay, this is only just a normal Feel Like. So to add in a Feel Like board, okay, just drag onto your layout, okay, and then you may adjust the size of your Feel Like board. As you can see, you can view it in your 3D as well, okay, and then adjust the placing. And of course, you may adjust these settings such as the color temperature, brightness, okay. So once you're ready, get a snapshot and you may start clicking on submit. Alright guys, so this is how you brighten up your room with a Feel Like board. Good luck trying, guys.